Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So, friends, I have amazing news today. Congress just signed a brand new bill, and many Americans are now eligible to claim a $125 extra bonus relief check as state officials pass new relief legislation. Friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all the details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning. And friends, the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow. The state of Indiana has another budget surplus, and Governor Eric Holcomb wants to distribute to Hoosiers. Earlier this month, the governor announced he wanted to distribute $1 billion in tax relief to help residents of Indiana deal with rising inflation. This week, he announced plans to call lawmakers back into a special session on July 6th. Under his plan, each taxpayer would receive about $225, and that's in addition to the $125 automatic tax refund that Governor Holcomb pledged to each Indiana taxpayer at the end of last year. About 2 million Indiana residents have already received their $125 tax refund by direct deposit. Refunds for more than 2 million other Indiana taxpayers are still being processed, and state officials expect them to be mailed later this summer. According to the Indiana Department of Revenue, lots of refunds have already been issued. So far, we have sent about 1.5 million refunds by direct deposit, said Communications Manager Natalie Rodriguez. She said those refunds cover just over 2 million residents of Indiana. Some refunds are for multiple people in the same household, so a single $250 refund would be deposited to bank accounts of married couples who filed a joint tax return. The governor's office said earlier this year, 4.3 million Indiana residents will receive the automatic $125 refund. That means to date, about 47% of the tax refunds have been processed so far. Natalie Rodriguez said that the state will send the final round of direct deposit refunds at the end of this month, and those will show up in your bank accounts in early July. So if you did not file a recent tax return, the Department of Revenue says, according to state law, you are not eligible to receive the automatic $125 tax refund. Congress also passed a bill extending some food assistance measures for children that anti-hunger advocates have called critical, as more parents struggle with the rising cost of inflation less than a week before the measures were set to end. The crisis-era child nutrition waivers have helped millions of American kids receive access to meals both in school and during the summer for the last 2 years, and were scheduled to expire on June 30th. The bipartisan legislation now heads to the president's desk for his signature. It would extend some of the dozens of child nutrition waivers that Congress provided the Agriculture Department the authority to issue at the start of the crisis. But the Keep Kids Fed Act would not extend the most groundbreaking of the federal waivers, one that most school breakfasts and lunches are free to all students, regardless of their families' incomes. Initially, the new bill eliminated reduced-price meals, allowing students who are eligible for reduced-price meals through the Agriculture Department's National School Lunch Program to receive free meals rather than pay 40 cents for lunch and 30 cents for breakfast.
Well, Joe Biden is the president of high prices. Inflation will be a defining failure of this president's administration, to the point that in just 1 year as president, Joe Biden has driven inflation to a 40-year high. And at the same time, he's driven his own approval ratings down to a low of only 40% of Americans. And the reason we're seeing this is that people are paying the price and feeling the pain when they go to the grocery store, when they go to the gas pump. They're paying $1 more a gallon now than they were when Joe Biden became president. Wages may be going up a little, but prices are going up much faster. So people can't keep up. Prices have gone up month after month after month since the president has been in office. People are feeling the squeeze. And who's getting hurt? Well, it's working families trying to get by. The average family in the United States has to spend $275 more each and every month now just to stay even from where they were a year ago compared to what it would have cost last year. So people are going to have to change and are changing the way they drive, the way they shop, the way they live. People are having to tap into savings if they have savings. Inflation is crushing people's dreams. Energy prices are much higher to heat your home this year. Who's affected by that? Well, it's people trying to get by. It's people living on a fixed income, people struggling, young couples, all of them. And on the specific issue of inflation, the Harvard poll shows that only 3 in 10 Americans support what the president is doing on inflation. Only 3 in 10. That means that every Republican and just about every independent and a whole lot of Democrats don't agree or believe in what...
Friends, the key word for this video is Lake Erie. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Lake Erie, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. Remember, dear friends, that the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. After passing the House of Representatives in a 376-42 vote, where Senate Republican Rand Paul pushed for the return of the reduced price meal category, the bill passed unanimously in the Senate, forcing the bill back to the House of Representatives for a second vote with the revision in place. Having to pay for reduced price meals is significant for millions of families. Before March 2020, children and families whose incomes were at or below 130% of the federal poverty level were eligible for free school meals, while those in families whose incomes were 130% to 185% of the poverty level were eligible for reduced price meals. Advocates have long pushed for the elimination of a reduced price meal category. The Keep Kids Fed Act would enable summer meal program providers to operate with more flexibility and also help schools in the coming academic year as they continue to cope with supply chain interruptions and labor shortages. Well, my amazing and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for watching my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Marquet Bates. Congratulations, dear friend. Please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.